Hello and welcome to Africa and Beyond the Television. And this evening we are looking at the pictures of Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa in Belarus. So Majara said soon after visiting the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe gold vaults, Idi Mnangagwa loaded bags and left the car down to Belarus. So izvi ndo zviri kutaurwa Majaira, but let us not dwell much on what he said. Let us focus on the pictures which are right here. Emukuru ari Belarus. So as you can see right here, these are the pictures Mukuru pakamboenda ku Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe. But these are the major pictures dzamuri kuona dziri pascreen apa. Let me see if we can zoom in together with Lukashenko. So there is this meeting. Let us look at the major theories which are there. Remember, there is CAB 3 happening, and in the midst of CAB 3, there are two possibilities why the president could visit Russia and Belarus. The first issue is to make sure that if something goes wrong, they will be able to make their moves and leave Zimbabwe straight to Belarus without any problem. That is the reason why they always hire a jet when traveling, because they do not have a situation where there will be need for a quick jet to leave Zimbabwe, and they will have to wait for the presidential jet in India Buddha outside Zimbabwe. That is the reason why they are making sure that they have at least 2 or 3 jets ready to pick them to fight back. So they might be in search or they might be looking for support. Kana chinhu chichinzi chaoma, zvinhu zvadhakwa, zvinhu zvadzvanya, how are they going to respond to the other side? So that is another possibility. Then another issue which we will talk about is anozviti mukuru wemazuva uyo apinza private jet nyowani. Why would he sacrifice a new private jet at this point? Was it in his plans kuti jet inge ichiuya right here in May 2026? There is a lot ipapapa zviri kutaurika kuti the reason why they had to bring this bigger jet with the capacity to travel far much longer distances is for them to evacuate if things go wrong. And when you are evacuating, remember, you are not evacuating into Zambia, you are not evacuating into South Africa or into very close countries. You have to evacuate to direct to a far country, nothing will happen, no one will arrest you. That is the reason why they've obtained a jet with the potential and capacity to travel far much longer. So that is another thing which is happening at this point in time. So much preparations are happening. Vari kutogadzirira kutorova pasi, vari kutogadzirira kutiza kuti kana chikange chatobvondoka apa hapana kutamba. So right now what is going to happen is they've postponed to June, the 2nd of June, this whole thing. What it means is if they manage to get assurances or they manage to acquire some things, kuti kana masoja akadai sutodai, that is an advantage to them. But if something goes wrong, kana vakatadza kubudirira pana maplans esai, the family can quickly evacuate and everyone else can quickly evacuate, and they leave for good. So ndopaunozoona kuti ipapapa upfumi hwese hwanga uchipfachurwa huchibiwa huchiita sei. Seems as if these people, they have been planning for an option kuti kana tikada tikabudirira ndizvo, but kana zvaramba tatadza kubudirira, if we are to go for the longer for the West, we will have to at least be able, number one, to live, number two, and to be able to sustain ourselves, especially in Belarus. So that is the issue. Iri kutaurika ndo makuwa aripo iwaya. So we will be watching to see what happens, and we'll be watching to see how everything is going to unfold. But patiri kuenda apa panomira zvakanaka, because Camp 3 is going to cause a lot of trouble and a lot of problems. Pachabudika here, vese vachagona kutiza here, kana kuti kune vachagona kutiza, kune vachasara. So the only way out is to abandon Camp 3. Vakaramba vachita zvavari kuita zveCamp 3 izvi, kwaona chasainwa into law, ndo kunonzi kuzvisetera pena. And isisu savana veZimbabwe tinenge tichingotaura no, ndo wakazvikanyira wega nenyaya dzekuzviedza gamba, tarisana nenyaya dzako wega. So that will be the issue at that juncture. So this is Team Zimbabwe. These are the thoughts. Mkuru mapictures ake ari kuBelarus